Hello and welcome to the 13th chapter of the Advanced Systems Descriptions of the Tupolev 154M. In this tutorial, we are going to use the Project Tupolev 154M for Microsoft Flight Simulator, which might differ a little bit from the versions that you will see in Microsoft Flight Simulator X, X-Plane and the real-life training simulators. For this purpose, I'm only going to show you where the transponder is located, where the older transponder is located, and the rest of the tutorial will be done from the 2D panels. The interesting part of flying the Tupolev 154 is the fact you will be completely surrounded by Russian logic, instruments and avionics. The only Western instruments on the Tupolev 154 that you will probably recognize and be grateful to have is the electric altimeter, vertical speed indicator, the transponder and the GPS. These are the only computers, so you will not feel like a kid of the Magenta line. These systems were mainly retrofitted in the 90s to comply with modern air traffic safety regulations and might not be found on older versions of the aircraft. Now, back to Flight Simulator. This switch over here is for turning off and on the vertical speed indicator, which also serves for TCAS indications. This switch has to be on in order for the system to work. This is the left one, the left vertical speed indicator, and the right vertical speed indicator, which also serves the TCAS indications. This switch here is the on and off switch for the transponder, and obviously has to be on. This switch is a processor and also has to be on. This switch is not related to the TCAS or the transponder, but I will turn it on anyway, as it is the electric indicator and also one of the only Western instruments aboard this aircraft. Left electric altimeter and right electric altimeter. Now the airplane has electric power, and the TCAS and the transponder has enough power for me to demonstrate to you how to use this system. This button here turns on the TCAS, and you will see the default squawk code for VFR operations. Also, you can switch to different modes using this knob over here, which is the test mode, the standby, on, altitude, VFR, traffic alerts, and traffic alerts and resolution advisories. It's common in the Tupolev 154 to use the traffic alert mode, but on VATSIM it might be easier to use the traffic alerts and resolution advisories. Also, you can change the squawk code by the click box over here. Also, there is one more button that I should represent in here. This button over here is used to identify yourself should a controller act so. The vertical speed indicator serves for TCAS indications. The range scale can be changed using the knob on the lower right, as demonstrated here, and might be useful to you in a variety of situations. The older transponder on the overhead is synchronized with the newer one, and they recommend using this older transponder to change the squawk code by using these white buttons on the bottom after setting the device to the AS position. In Russian airspace, you find out the position over there is used. In this position, no value is displayed because an antenna is transmitting a fixed ID value. You'll find out this is also a checklist item. However, for flights out of Russia and on VATSIM, I recommend using the AS mode just in case the confused controller turns up. Also, the VATSIM clients usually aren't synchronized with the transponder of the aircraft. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it was of help to you.